bedtime. Quote reading with meaningful insights. Let's begin. A quote for young minds. We have embrace, embrace, embrace your brilliance, 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 even in the shadows, shadows, shadows of anonymity, anonymity, anonymity. Again, embrace your brilliance, even in the shadows of anonymity. Your turn. Great job!
This quote serves as a reminder that our value is not defined by external recognition or attention. It inspires us to radiate our light even when our hard work may go unnoticed. Keep in mind, genuine greatness is found in the enduring display of good character, not just the spotlight it attracts.